There are several tools that are required to install the rock: 10 gel-filled connectors or wire nuts, a measuring tape, a pair of wire strippers, a Phillips screwdriver, wire cutters, and a level. Install a 2-gang switch box 5 feet from the floor. The box should be located on the handle side of the door, approximately 1/2 inch away from the door frame. 3 cables are required to connect the rock. A Cat5e or Cat6 cable will provide network data as well as power via a PoE Plus connection. The rock must be connected to a PoE Plus power source. A standard PoE source does not provide enough power and the rock will not function properly. 1 multi-conductor cable will be used to connect the rock to the access control panel via Wiegand. A second multi-conductor cable will be used to connect the rock to the tethered badge reader. A 4-conductor shielded pair may optionally be used if the rock will connect to the access control panel and the tethered reader via OSDP. Connect each of the conductors from the panel and the tethered badge reader to the rock wiring harness. The installation guide included in the box provides detailed wiring instructions. Thread the cables through the opening in the wall plate. Attach the wall plate to the 2-gang box using the included Phillips screws. Ensure that the screw heads are flush with the wall plate to ensure there is no interference when the rock is attached to the wall plate. Ensure the wall plate is level. Prepare the cable strain relief by attaching 2 of the provided cable ties to the strain relief on the back of the rock. Leave the cable ties in a loop large enough to allow the cables to be threaded through them. Connect the network cable to the rock. Secure the network cable using the cable tie. Connect the wiring harness to the rock. Secure the wiring harness using the cable tie. Thread the excess network and wiring harness cable back into the box. Snap the rock onto the wall plate. The rock can be mounted on either side of the door, and it will auto-orient depending on which side of the door it is mounted on. Remove the protective film from the front of the rock to expose the sensors and display. Connect the network cable and the access control cable to their respective head-end locations. The rock will boot up into demo mode. In demo mode, the rock is in single-factor authentication mode and a modified auto-enrollment.